I had a great time with OK60 Pro for so long. I did modify it to the limit, and it's time for more exciting experience with a new custom keyboard. The Neo65. The keyboard price range from $80 to $130, but my configuration and shipment cost me around $140, if include PVT keycap and switch, so the total cost around $190. This keyboard is unibody, which look very simple, minimal and clean cut from side to side. Moreover, it can support dual mounting mechanism. Gummy O-ring for the stiff typing, or gasket for the soft bouncy typing experience. To fit in your setup, Neo offers a variety of case color of e-coated and anodized. 5 weight style in complement such as brush, copper, and polish. And there are also 5 plate options, from soft to hard, and producing sound from clack to talk. What I have here is a wide case with a dust weight. I personally prefer a talky sound, so I go with a PC plate. What's more interesting, this keyboard can build in plateless. I choose the tri-mode PCB, which built in Bluetooth 2.4 GHz and wire, and it also supports key layouts such as split backspace, split left shift, NZ, ISO, and 7U spacebar. I put small pieces of band-aid on PCB where stabilizers stand to protect PCB from direct bumping. This board comes with clip-in stabilizers, but you can use your own screw-in stabilizer, which only support gasket mount. Neo also provides full set of foam, even though this board doesn't require any foam to make great sound profile. What I really admire about this keyboard is it uses a flat cable to connect between the PCB and the daughter board. It looks very organized and functional. What I mean by functional is the USB port stays still without any interference, allow the PCB bouncing freely while typing with soft gasket mount. On the other hand, 2 batteries tucked at the back, placed side by side underneath the weight, which is another great section organized. The weight needs only 2 screws to handle, which is great, and screws come in 2 color choices. Alongside with rubber fit black and white, the one that cuts through hole to complement those screws to make it look like a screwless case. If you want to step up your game with custom mechanical keyboard like I do, and also consider about the budget less than 200, a classic look but premium typing feel, neat design from inside out, great sound profiles, support many key layout, support gasket and O-ring mount, offer wire and wireless connection, the Neo65 is the right choice.